Hindi siya maluto kasi sobrang init. Sarap guys. Scallop pusit. Sizzling pusit or scallop pusit. Yan. Sarap to guys. Okay. Marinated for salt and pepper, paprika, cayenne pepper, and lime with seasoning. Alam nyo na yung seasoning guys. Kaya, so delicious this one. Bye guys. Thanks for watching. Follow for more.